Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to make slow motion video on TikTok. TikTok lets users put the slow motion effect on their videos and consequently make them look more creative. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can do it. Log into your TikTok account and press on the plus button on the main toolbar. When the camera screen opens, record a video or upload the one from your phone's gallery. Hit the effects icon at the bottom of the screen and click on the time option. Choose the slow-mo effect. Now you need to decide if you want to apply this effect to a specific part of your video or to the whole video. After that, tap Save in the top right corner in order to save changes. You may also add music, use filters, insert stickers, or write something on your video if you want. Once you're happy with your video, click on the Next button and share it to TikTok. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to make slow motion video on TikTok. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.